Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to create a virtual device in Android Studio. First of all, go into the Start menu and select Android Studio. Click Configure the gear icon AVD Manager. Create virtual device. Now you can select Android TV, phone, Android watch, tablet or Android on case. Let's select a phone. For example, let's select the Pixel 4. Click Next. Here you can select the system image. We can install Android 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 or x86 image for tablet with Intel processors or computers that run Android. You can even install very old versions such as Android 4, 5 or 6. Other images are various editions, even very low, such as Android 2. We will select the recommended Android 11, the newest. Click download and it is starting the download. It will download the image and our image will be downloaded. Now that is done, click Finish. Click Next. Give it a name. You can set up the orientation, portrait or landscape. You can select the graphics. Enable device frame. It will put a black thing around the screen to look like a phone. If we disable it, it will be simply a window. This will mimic the look of a real Android device. We don't need it, so click Finish. The device has been created. With this, we launch the emulator. It is starting our device. And here on the left, it is the device. Turn on, volume up, volume down, rotate left, rotate right, take a screenshot, zoom, back, home, overview. With more, you go into the standard controls to go into all the settings. It is stock Android with every Google apps. Let's go into settings, about emulated device, build number. Now we are a developer. System advanced developer options. We can see the memory, enable Bluetooth HCPI, sRGB to give us better color, we can change the web view implementation, automatic updates, USB debugging. It will be useful to site load Android applications. Buffer size, graphics performance, various Wi-Fi scanning, Bluetooth codecs, Bluetooth AAC and aptX will have a higher quality of the Bluetooth audio. Transition, animation lower will be faster, animation bigger will be slower. With power, we shut down the device. Click close to close the device. Here, virtual device close, main page close.